Hello guys and welcome to my channel Ticket to Canada. If you are planning to move to Canada and are confused with its complicated process, then you are at the right place. In this channel, I share videos related to different steps of immigration, and in this video, I'll be discussing a factor which defines your eligibility for express entry, which is Job NOC. So I'll be covering what is NOC, your eligibility as per different programs under which you can apply for immigration to Canada, and different NOC groups. And I'll also be answering the most important question, that what is my NOC? All of this coming your way. Stay tuned. NOC, or National Occupational Classification. It's a system to classify jobs or occupation. The different occupations are being divided into different codes as per the roles and responsibilities. And for immigration purpose, it has been divided into 5 subcategories. These are skill type 0, skill level A, level B, level C, and level D. Now here, skill type 0 stands for management jobs like your restaurant manager or shore captain. Skill level A stands for professional jobs like doctor, dentist, architects. Skill level B stands for technical jobs like chef, plumber, electrician. Skill level C stands for intermediate job like butcher, truck driver. And skill level D stands for labor jobs or like fruit pickers or cleaning staff. Now let's jump to the official website of Canadian Immigration. Now if we talk about the eligibility, so for express entry under all the 3 programs, Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trade Program, and Canadian Experience classes, your NOC should be under skill type 0, A or B. Now to be eligible under express entry, your NOC must be under these 3 skill types, either 0, A or B. Now if you talk about skill level C or D, you may be able to come to Canada as a provincial nominee. All skill types are acceptable, but you have to check the specific province website and the in-demand occupation list of the same. If that specific NOC falls under C or D, then only you can apply through that province. And similar is the case with Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. However, Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program doesn't accept skill level D. You may be able to work temporarily for 2 years if you are under skill level C or D, but it's for temporary work permit only. Now let's jump to the most important question. What is my NOC, or how to find an NOC? Now it's pretty simple. Let's directly jump to this part. Now here you're supposed to write your present designation or the type of work you do to filter out your NOC. Let's say, for example, we talk about, say, assistant manager marketing. Assistant manager marketing. Now here what happened is, see, the results has been filtered out and there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NOCs under which this category falls, your marketing category. Now what you are supposed to do over here is that you should note down all these 5 NOCs, and then you have to jump to the website, official website of NOC. Here it is. Let's open this website. What you're supposed to do now is that you have to make a note of these NOCs and have to search the same in this website. Let's say we take 0013, Senior Manager Financial Communication and Other Business Services. Now what you're supposed to do is like search by NOC code. Just paste your NOC over here. Now Senior Manager, search. Now here what happened is, first thing is that they have given you the summary of what exactly this NOC is stand for. Like Senior Manager Financial stands for Senior Manager Financial Communication and Other Business Services are usually appointed by a board of director to which they report. Now you have to read this summary, then you have to read this example title, whether your title is being fit in this mentioned title or not. Then the most important thing is the main duties. Now if your NOC is falling under This code means the roles and responsibility which you are taking care of at your present job. If that matches with this main duties, then this is your NOC, otherwise it's not. And the thumb rule is that at least 80% of your main responsibility should match with this main duties, the roles responsibility which you are taking care at presently, or the primary NOC. This at least 80% of that should match with the main duties of mentioned over here. Now the employment requirement, you must take care that you must be having these degrees or certificate if you are employed under this NOC. Otherwise, there is chances that your application might get rejected because of the mismatch of your educational credential and the roles and responsibility which you are taking care of. Now make sure to look at the exclusion as well. Now here these are 3 exclusion which is not counted under NOC 0013. So make sure that these roles and responsibilities should not be incorporated while you are making your reference letter. And if say 40 or 50% of your NOC is being matched, then this is not your NOC. You have to search for different NOC. So my recommendation is go through all the NOCs. Apart from that, not only mention the assistant manager marketing over here, what you must do to broad your search is, instead of writing the whole designation, just write the vertical which you are looking for, say marketing. Now when I've searched for marketing, see there are more NOC which comes under it. Earlier there were only 5 NOC, but now it's more than 10. So I advise that search with both your designation and with the vertical which you are taking care of. Go through all these NOCs, do certain research and find out which NOC best fit the roles and responsibility which you are taking care of in your present organization, or the the job which you are planning to present as your primary NOC. And this way only you can find your NOC. And make sure this is very crucial step in express entry, because 90% of the application which are being rejected by the immigration officer is because of job NOC. So make sure that you should not miss out on this and be very careful while deciding your NOC. I guess I'm done with NOC. Still, if you have any query regarding NOC, I'll request you to please drop your question in the comment box of this section and I'll be glad to answer. Please, I'm repeating it again and again, please make sure that you read every roles and responsibility carefully and match it with your existing roles and responsibility. It's very crucial. This is the reason for rejection or because of NOC. Hope this video is of any help to you. All the best.